Drivers ready, lesson 5.
There we go.
Alright.
Oh, B main right here.
We got all the B main on the track. No business today. So we're fighting for some points. We're fighting some for
Before
some
I'm out, I should be in this race right here, but
So first place is actually going to get
bent the whole front end up.
points today.
I'll try to get some pictures of that.
And, we're also fighting for some podium positions today. Alright, so we're at the ball. We're spinning out on the first start. Is in third place, moving back up. Next is on the line, next is in the crew. Next we're going over wide. Oh, let me get this back. So there's a battle for third place right there. 2 green cars and 1 lime green limitless. They're battling now.
A lot of cars been breaking today.
So Greg and Nestor going around first down. Let's see, Jack's off 4.2 seconds. Ben Circle in the lead right now. He's showing up on last practice. At the bottom, now last week got a crunchy car. It is crunchy. That's like Charlotte Webb Wilbur crunchy.
Yeah, and, that Corvette sounded a little rough.
Between Greg and Nestor, it looks like it's about 6 seconds back.
The top drivers are Ben Circle in first place, followed by Greg Sabat in second place, followed by Nestor Tyler in third place.
All you racers up there, we're going to need all you guys to marshal the next race. You got Arrma and Arrma next up.
Coming in hot.
Alright, Greg getting by Nestor.
Nice pass. Oh, we got a little fight right here. For, oh!
Halfway down, 3 minutes down, 3 to go. Anything can still happen. Looking for that battle for second place right there. So Ben Circle, 7 minutes, I'll leave 10 seconds now.
And that's his car's all bent up. The tires getting ready to fall off. That yellow one.
Alright guys, next week's season finale. 2022 season finale. We got a bunch of awards to hand
It's
out.
a lot of broken cars today.
Nice looking awards, saw them online.
So Greg taking first. Nestor coming by. And Mike over here.
Looks like Ben Circle is getting knocked out.
Looks like he got stuff under his car.
2 minutes left.
The top drivers are Ben Circle in first place, followed by Greg Sabat in second place, followed by Nestor Tyler in third place. Second, third.
And Greg just taking it easy now. Uh-oh. Broke down car down there at the end.
Oh no, our leader, I think thermally. Greg.
Get it, Greg!
Our leader's off the track, Greg. Let's see if you can turn that on and off again. We got a minute left. That's a lot of time right now. Right there on that lap. Just about in the one. Then driving down the two. Then back on the track. I don't know if we can. I don't know what's wrong with this car. It's really hard to drive.
Hit the rainbow. It's all over the place.
It's really hard to drive. 25 seconds left. You can salvage this. Nestor, you can take that spot away from Ben.
God, that one sounds rough. He's turning with just getting out. Yeah, fight down there. Poor Mike, man, this car is just sounding awful.
Alright, that's going to be finishing our top three. So Brett the back taking the win, followed by Ben Turco. Car over to second place, and Mr. Carlos in third place. So if I can get the top three drivers, Greg, Ben, and Nestor, to the podium for your podium picture.
You're all lucky I didn't make it.
Other than that start,
I know.
all right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys.